Hi, this is Janis from Noisebud, and today I'm gonna show you our plugin called NoLias, which looks like that, and it's a plugin that you use when you want to find plugins in a plugin chain that are creating aliasing artifacts. So, it's really simple. Let's start by, I have put some audio on the track, and let's play that just quickly. So it's a full mix. And I put NoLias first in the chain, or right now it's the only plugin in the chain. So I think we're going to start with by turning NoLias on. And what it will do is just play a customized sine sweep that will, send a sine sweep through your effect chain. And by that, you will hear an aliasing created. So it's nothing magic. It's nothing, you use your ears. It's nothing, that's not going to be a little LED start to flashing to warn you that they're aliasing. You use your ears. So here's what it sounds like. So it's a really clean sine sweep, and you can adjust the level of that sine sweep with a knob if you want to push a plugin. The louder the signal, the more aliasing you will get. So it could be, if you're mastering something really loud, it could be a good thing to pump up this volume a little bit. But most of the times you will be good with the default settings, which is around here somewhere. All right, let's start by adding some distortion. Let's do a JS plugin. Okay. Let's see how that sounds with the music. Oh, just affecting the left channel. Let's do both. As you can hear, I added a little tiny bit of distortion on that. So let's hit on NoLias, and we play the sine sweep through this plugin and see what happens. That chirp thing you hear, that's aliasing, and you don't want that. So what can you do? First thing we're gonna do is, we can't distort this much. We will, even if we oversample this, we will have lots of aliasing. So we start by turning down the shape a little bit, so we're not cutting off the peaks as much, and maybe we're not hard limit to -25, or let's set it to -10. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, and let's hear how much distortion we're adding. That's still plenty of distortion. Let's turn NoLias on again, play the sine sweep one more time so we hear how much aliasing it's creating right now. All right, it's not that much. Let's oversample the, well, we're doing max right away, just because. And I hit play again. Right, there's still some aliasing left. Let's turn that down a little bit. Okay. Now it's barely, I can still hear it, but it's barely there. I play the sine wave one more time and you can hear it. You can hear it, but it's almost gone. And let's listen how that sounds with the music. It's still distorted. So that's how you use NoLias, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you with the next plugin. Bye bye.